Hi everyone, Jamie here. Thanks for watching today. So Papercraft Essentials goes on sale today, Thursday the 13th of April. So it'll be available in your supermarkets and on craftstash. Apologies if you can hear the rain. It's a miserable day here in South Wales and it's hammering down with rain. So as usual, I'll have a look at the exclusive gift and a flick through of the magazine. So I've already cut the top open, so we'll take it out of the cellophane so we can see things a little clearer. So this is Papercraft Essentials issue 224, and it comes with the Safari Adventure all occasion foiled card making kit, and it's got 98 elements. So the kit contains 53 foiled die cut toppers, 36 die cut toppers, 6 pattern papers, 3D foam pads, sequins and more. So let's take a look inside. So as we open the kit, we've got this front cover here. You could reuse this, you could cut this down, you could fussy cut those images there, so you don't have to waste that. So we've got some lovely tropical toppers. So we've got flowers, leaves, animals. Some really sweet images there of the giraffe and the zebra. And I like the fact that they have the flowers and the leaves as well. And you've also got your standalone images there. The elephants are really sweet. I like them, they're cute. And then you've got some of these smaller toppers then. So lots and lots of images. I really like the florals, I'm drawn to these. It's my natural go-to. Some lovely colours to pick out. Then we've got some sentiments on your special day. Happy birthday, especially for you. Many happy returns. Again, following the same theme. And the centre pops out as well, so you could make those into shakers, or use your 3D foam pads to pop up the centre of the image. Again, some more foiled images, sentiments I should say, on your special day, especially for you. Many happy returns, and they accompany these really well then. So born to be wild, thank you, happy birthday. Then we've got these big and bold sentiments here. I really like the font. And the foiling is lovely. So let the adventure begin, thank you, life's a great adventure with you. The happy birthday one is lovely, so you could build up around that. Then some more toppers. And so now we're working on the pattern paper. It's got this really bright pink tropical leaf print there. Then we've got this teal blue print. I think that's a cheetah, so we've got it in various poses. Then we've got the tropical birds. And we have this pattern here. This bold red with, I thought I had it upside down, but they're it's non-directional. So we've got the giraffe, then some more tropical leaves with the elephants, monkey, giraffe, parrot. And you probably can't see this, but it's a good 8x8 acetate sheet. So ideal for making those shakers. Now the kit does say 3D foam pads, but I've got 2 bags of shakers, so I can't really complain because I've got lots of 3D foam pads to use up. So the sequins will come in handy for those shaker cards, as I said. And now we'll have a look at the magazine. So it's 151 projects and ideas to try tonight. And they've got some masculine makes in there, beginner's guide and some 3D projects. So as I normally do, just a quick flip through, and we don't have to turn far. We've got some inspiration there from Teresa Morgan. She made some lovely cards here. So we've got this one, which is called Bit of Paradise. This is our cover card, the easel there. I really like that. If I just hold it up a little bit. So she used one of those toppers, taking the centerpiece out and then replaced it with a cheetah and extra foliage on there. This one with the zebra is beautiful. I really like that. And as you can see, she's created a shaker as I suggested. So we've got some inspiration from Jen McKean. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Jen's the editor of Papercraft Essentials, and she's got some inspiration here, some really bright and bold card designs. I really like those. Marta de Beek is doing a 12 by 12 paper pad, so you can use it in various ways. So she's got 5 inspirational cards there. So we've got some off the page projects by Sarah Jane Smallwood Smith. She's got a gift bag, notebook cover, pen pot, canvas and a wall plaque. As the front cover suggests, some masculine makes there. And I just wanted to see what's coming next in Papercraft Essentials. So we've got the potting shed. So again, it's a 8x8 card making kit. It's got some of the inspiration on the front there and other ideas to get you inspired. So this will be on sale on the 11th of May. So as I said, the latest issue of Papercraft Essentials 224 on sale now in your supermarkets or on craftstash. If you want to go directly to craftstash, there are links below in the description box. If you've enjoyed looking through the magazine with me today, hit the like button, leave a comment or consider subscribing to the channel. It really does help and support me. So I think magazines are a great way to start building your stash, especially if you're new to card making or papercraft. You've got everything you need inside these exclusive gifts, and all you need is a bit of cards and some scissors perhaps, and you can make cards instantly. It's also great if you're not new to card making. This might push you out of your comfort zone and make you use something that you wouldn't normally buy on a day-to-day basis or have in your stash. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.